up? I'm going to check in on Adam Schiff. What's his future? You've done great so far as a house manager and intelligence committee. I wonder if he stays, in the House or runs for the Senate or gets a cabinet position. What's Adam's future? Let's find out. Adam Schiff, what's your future? What's your future in our government, Adam? What's your future in this government, Mr. Adam? Mr. Adam Schiff, what's your future? What's your future after 2020? After the 2020 election in November. What's your future, Adam? What do you want to do? What's your future in our government? Adam Schiff. Future in the government. Split it. 3 or 4. I'm feeling a 4. Two of Swords isn't on the bottom. It's a good fortune card. It's a good fortune card, but she's blinded. Good fortune, but blinded. Maybe you don't know. But it doesn't matter what he knows. I want to know the future. The Star. Mystical card. Seven of coins. Hard work, dedication, and planning. That's him. And then the Fool. I don't see him as a technical fool, but it is a new journey. 9 of coins. Accomplishments and achievements. Success. Standing strong card. Establishment. Then we get the Chariot. The Star. And the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. That feels like a new door opening. The Chariot. Pushing forward with that new opportunity. The Star always is a interesting card to me. It could mean so many things. But generally it's new life and inspiration and guidance and hope and challenges. let's push forward. King of Wands. Well, that's him. The man of action. The knowledgeable, creative man. Sitting on his throne. Four of Pentacles. And that's another leadership card. A success card. An institutional man. Four of Swords. Well, the Four of Swords is always in a church, laying down. What kind of action is that? Feels like the calm after the storm. Because there's been a storm. He's been busy. A lot of them been busy investigating. And Page of Cups. Overflowing new emotions. Page of Cups. Yeah. New emotions. Three of Pentacles. Okay, we got a parchment. A declaration. Three branches of government. New skills. Eight of Swords. Patience. And then the Queen of Pentacles. Queen. Patience. Generosity. Queen, Queen, Queen. Queen of Coins. What does that mean for Adam? I'm feeling he's going to stay put. I think he's going to stay put in the house. The Queen, I think, is Nancy Pelosi. And then after it's all said and done, the new study, the rest, this card, I think, is the Speaker of the House. I think he stays put in the house. Be that King of Wands. Yeah, the challenge, the higher challenge. Yep. Even though his skills, he could be part of the next administration. I think he will do a lot of good as Speaker of the House. I think that's where he's staying put. Where we're at, 9 minutes. A couple quick cards. If he's Speaker of the House, well, he could get voted in. Nancy still be there. I think they got to vote in new one every year, or every session, every 2 years. Does that mean Nancy Pelosi retires. Does Nancy Pelosi retire? Does Nancy Pelosi retire this year? Does Nancy Pelosi retire this year? Nancy Pelosi retire. Nancy Pelosi retire. Nine of Wands, standing strong yet. Emperor, still a position of strength. The Tower. Wow. Major Arcana. I don't feel like it's a bad tower. It could be a cut, an ending. It could be her retirement, actually. The Magician. Okay, this is really getting weird. 3 major arcana. The Emperor can be the law and order leader, yeah, institution. Tower, feel like it's an ending. Doesn't have to be a bad ending. The Magician. All these mystery cards, huh? Full potential. Oh my God. It's just saying she's going to be president. Asked if she was retiring. Didn't say when. It's saying she's going to be the president. The Emperor. The King. The President. Dramatic change. Magician of making things happen. The King of Pentacles. That's a man of authority. The person of authority. 2 of Wands. The action, the partnership. The new begin, or the good fortune. And the Lovers. That's a lot to major arcana. That means Pence is gone too. I didn't expect this to go away. I was thinking after the election, but Pelosi's going to be our president. Guarantee it. I mean, I've always felt it, but no. I felt that was going to happen, you know. Donald get the boot, run away, whatever. Pence gets an offer. Either get impeached yourself or leave quietly. Holy crapola. Did not see this one coming. The 2 of Cups. 2, 2, 2. That's got to be February. It's got to be happening February. 222. Lovers 2. Wands 2. Cups 2. Any other 2? Holy moly. This is freaking me out. 2 of Cups, the new loyalty, the new union. So in the interim, Schiff is going to be the Speaker of the House and probably just ended up keeping it. Nancy takes the presidency. Does she retire after that? Ace of Pentacles, 3 of Cups. The Moon card, unknown. The prosperity. Prince of Cups. A lot of cups. Cups and Pentacles. The Knight of Cups. Giving back to the country. The 3 of Cups. The celebration. It's not really telling me right now if she's going to retire after the 2020. 7 of Wands. Good outlook. Page of Wands. More action. Learning. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Coins. The wealth. The inheritance. The comfort. And the world. The world's looking on. She has the world. The culmination of triumph. I kind of feel like she's going to hand the torch over, because she would probably have to give up her position to be president, and then they will probably just wait, I suppose, until the election. Yeah, I think she'll ultimately retire. I mean, there's a lot of powerful cards here, but she would be in a powerful position. Unless she, 18? Oh, I got time to think about it. Unless, what time is it? Unless she hands the torch and nominates someone else, which could be Hillary, the rightful winner of the 2016 election. Thanks to Trump, Russia, voter fraud, and election hacking, and da-da-da-da. Will Nancy keep the presidency? Will Nancy keep the presidency or pass the torch? Will Nancy keep the presidency or pass the torch? Will Nancy keep the presidency? Nancy Pelosi. Will she keep the presidency or pass the torch? Fell out. The Tower and the Emperor. Well, the 2 that fell out, that would kind of mean to me that she would pass it on to Clinton. But that's just falling out, so we'll see. Will Nancy try to pass the torch to Hillary Clinton? Nominate her? Or will she keep it? When it's all said and done. Nancy keep the presidency or pass it on? Judgment. Judgment on the bottom. Judgment. That's the new life. The fulfillment. Two of Cups, that union again. Partnership, the lovers. Well, that came right back up again. I did shuffle. The Ten of Cups. The joyfulness. The cup overflowing with the 10. The happy home. The success. The Hierophant is the government. Temperance, taking things smoothly, thinking about what you need to do. Oh my God, all these major arcana. The Moon card again. The mysterious things. The Travel card. The Five of Cups. It's a loss. It could be the loss for Hillary. The Tower again. Change. The Hangman. It's probably Donald. Let me see what other meanings for the Hangman. It's a happiness, a sacrifice. She could sacrifice being the president, the world, the magician. Oh my God. The sun. All these major arcana in a row. The Four of Swords. I did shuffle and they're all coming back. There's a lot of mystery around it. Whether that's actually going to happen. Kind of shows she might pass it on. Maybe, or she'll offer it. It could be. Blinded. The Empress. It's women. That's Nancy taking on the challenge. As of right now, I think Nancy becomes president. Does make that offer, but there's a challenge to making that happen. Pushback. Because I think Hillary would have to be confirmed or something. She could make her vice president, I suppose. Then step down. Something. I don't know. Like 15 years ago, I made a prediction that Hillary would be our first female president. But if Nancy's sworn in, she would technically be the first president, so I don't know. But yeah. This totally took a twist, but you can book it. Sometime in February, Nancy Pelosi will be our president. So next one. Peace out.